Hello, hope you're having a good day. I suppose if you're here, you're probably wondering about the Ocurenew Natural Vision Restoration Formula. Well, my name is Isabella and I'm here to help you with all your questions. So watch this video until the end to get all the information you need before purchasing this product. To begin with, I would like to inform you that Ocurenew is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that offer the product are not reliable, so I strongly suggest that you make your purchase through the official site, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, what is Ocurenew and what is it for? Does it really work? It is a 100% unique formula supplement designed to address the real cause of vision loss. It can be taken by people with serious blurred vision problems, as well as those who just want to boost metabolism and maintain the health of their sense of vision. Ocurenew's formula relies on mitochondria as energy generators in the body's cells. These mitochondria provide sustainable energy and address the root cause of all age-related diseases. Unlike other treatments, Ocurenew works naturally to restore perfect vision to the eye by healing mitochondria caused by exposure to blue light using red light therapy and the ingredients in the Ocurenew formula. Using a natural, proprietary blend, Ocurenew addresses the root cause of vision loss. The highly efficient components were hand-selected for their beneficial influence on mitochondrial health. The formula contains 100% natural extracts from fruits, herbs, and other organic ingredients. Ocurenew's combination of minerals and vitamins boosts the immune system, improving eye health. Here are some of the effects you can expect after using Ocurenew, according to the official sales page. Improves your vision for clearer vision. Gives you vitamin and mineral support while improving your vision. Helps prevent vision problems such as macular degeneration, eye damage from free radicals or glaucoma. It can help you see in low light and at night. Combining the high quality of the natural ingredients used in the manufacture of the Ocurenew supplement and the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the expected results. With that in mind, what is the best way to take Ocurenew pills? Just take 2 capsules every day with a glass of water after or before a meal and you'll love the results you'll see and how you'll feel. After all this information, you must be wondering if there are any side effects when taking this formula. According to the manufacturer's and official sales website, Ocurenew's natural vision restoring formula is made with only natural, gluten-free and GMO-free ingredients. It does not include stimulants, preservatives or habit-forming active components, making it safe to use. For these reasons, it does not cause any side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. The Ocurenew supplement is guaranteed for 60 days. That is, if you buy and are not completely satisfied with the product, you have a full money-back guarantee. So, thanks for watching until the end. I hope I helped in some way with this video, and don't forget that if you want to go to the official website of the Ocurenew Natural Vision Restoration Formula, the link will be in the description of this video.